So I'm in Disneyland right now. I'm here with my mom and my dad, and it's Labor Day. The lines are looking pretty short for Disneyland. We're gonna see how many rides we can go on in one day. We're about to go on Matterhorn because it said 15 minutes. That's the plan. So it is 10:30 this morning. We got in the park around 9:15 and we've been on 2 rides. We just went on Matterhorn and Thunder Mountain. Now we're going to go on Teacups and then we're going to see the Dapper Dans at 11. We just went on the Teacups. The wait was like 5 minutes. We're doing pretty good so far. Now we're gonna go see the Dapper Dans. Main Street on Disney, so cute. They started decorating already for Halloween, so I'll have to show you.
Fire the dead oak trees, right from the midnight street. Weeping trees with eerie eyes, silent street and marble lights. Great pretty coats come out to socialize.
I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth round sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs, bumpers like snakes and spiders on my hair. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Now scream, it's our town, everybody scream. In this town of Halloween.
Okay, so we just saw the Dapper Dans because my mom really wanted to go see them and they were so cute. They were singing their little Halloween songs. And then now we're on to ride number 4. We're gonna go on Grizzly River Run. We're gonna do the single rider and usually you can just get on in 5 minutes, which is nice on a hot day like this. So we'll see after that. Aftermath of the ride. Dad's back is pretty wet. Let me see the front. Just a little splash. I got my jean shorts soaked and on my butt. Mom wore the poncho. She's drier than us all.
Yeah. I didn't get it dropped.
Alright, so we went on Grizzly River Run. It was fun. I feel better because it's so hot out. But we're gonna take a little break. We've got 4 rides in so far. It's only noon. We're staying at the Disneyland Hotel, so we're gonna go to the pool, cool off for a bit, have some lunch, and then head back in the park later. So far, I'm pretty impressed, honestly, with how many rides we've done. Usually I have to wait like 45 minutes to an hour for these rides, but they've only been like 15 to 20 minutes, which is awesome. Walking in the park right now, and it's so cool with all the lights for Halloween time. Look, we're gonna try to go on Soaring. Oh my gosh, look at the Carthay Circle. And I lost my parents. Where did my parents go? I found them. It just really feels like Halloween spooky time. I love it. It is so cool. I want to try to go to Disneyland after this and go on Haunted Mansion, but we'll see. We're going to start at Soaring.
Seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands up.
Soaring to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Just went on Soarin', that was ride number 5, and now we're heading into Disneyland. Fireworks, oh, fireworks are starting! It's supposed to be a special Halloween fireworks, so we're gonna see that and then go on Haunted Mansion. I'm so excited. All right, Just went on ride number 6, the Haunted Mansion, and it was so cool with Jack Skellington for the special holiday Haunted Mansion. But it's 10:30, the park closes at 11. So walking back to the room and gonna call it a night.
Good evening,
Gonna get
friends.
tucked into.
The thrilling spectacle of Fantasmic is now just a few minutes away. For your safety and for the safety of those around you.
Yeah, so we just did Haunted Mansion. We're gonna call it a night. Walking back. Disneyland's closing at 11 tonight because it's Monday. But it was so much fun today. Got in some good rides, 6 rides. We did have a lot of chill time today, so gotta account for that. But it was a really good Disney day.